Okay, how's everybody doing today? Probably not too good if you're trying to find this video on why your chest freezer won't stay running. I got this problem after I defrosted it. It's a RCA 5.1 freezer, and defrosted it. It seemed like it was working fine before, but I defrosted it. I moved it outside. So I did jiggle it around a lot, thinking it probably broke the relay starter, but that's what noise I get. Click. Sounds like it tries to start clicks on and clicks off, about 5 seconds. And then about a minute 44 seconds later, it'll try it again. Same thing. So I'm gonna let you listen to it again. That's it. Keeps repeating, no start. So before you get started, you want to disconnect the power. Don't want to get electrocuted. And then just take the screws out of. Just had 2 Phillips screws here and here. Take that out. And then you have to pop this cover off right here. Just pop this little tab up right there, and that should come right off. Let's make sure you don't get the wires hung up, but if you want to look at it, this tab right here, I'm going to pry up just a little bit on that. It's in that little groove. So then you have the starter and the overload right there. Make sure you get a picture of the wires before you take them off, so you know how to reinstall. The part I ordered off of Amazon, I'll put a link in the description. Let's see if I can keep this. And all it is, just want to take these. What I did, I pulled it's tight, but the prongs are sticking into the back. Just wiggle it back and forth. It'll come out. So you have 2 prongs. There you go. It's sticking these holes, and you'll just take either a needle nose or you can take your screwdriver and just pry up on these and disconnect them. All right. So here's the part. And one of the telltale signs, you shake it and that ceramic disc in there's broken. Very common. So this part cost me, well, I got 2 for $9 off Amazon. I took the relay apart so you could see what was broken in there. This part, this little ceramic piece right here. That's all it is. All right, so we got the new part. Here's the new part. It's just a QP02 4.7. Put your connectors back on it. Blue on the bottom. Brown on the far side. And white on the near side. Just make sure it's snug on there. And we'll plug it in and see what happens. Yep, sounds like it's staying on. That's it. We'll come back and check it. Make sure it's going down. That's it. 50 degrees. All right, it's been about 30 minutes. Still running. And get cooler. It's good to go. Yeah, this looks like a fix. And by the way, the other thing, both lights were lit up when I originally started with the click. When I was making a clicking noise, both those lights were on. So don't let that fool you. All right. And you can see it's still working. A week later, it's still working.